Come ye sinners, poor and wretched, weak and wounded, sick and sore. Jesus ready stands to save you, full of pity, joined with power. He is able. He is able. He is willing, doubt no more. Come ye needy, come and welcome. God's free bounty glorified. True belief and true repentance. Every grace that brings you nigh. Without money, without money, come to Jesus Christ and buy. Come ye weary, heavy laden, bruised and broken by the fall. If you tarry till you're better, you will never come at all. Not the righteous, not the righteous. Sinners Jesus came to call. Let not conscience make you linger, nor of fitness fondly dream. All the fitness he requires is to feel your need of him. This he gives you. This he gives you. Tis the Spirit's rising beam. Clothing incarnate, God ascended. He's the merit of his blood. Venture on him, venture wholly. Let no other trust in truth. None but Jesus. None but Jesus can do helpless sinners good. None but Jesus. None but Jesus can do helpless sinners good. To see the law by Christ fulfilled, to hear his pardoning voice, changes a slave into a child, and duty in the choice. How long beneath the law I lay, in bondage and distress, I toiled the precept to obey, but toiled without success. But to see the law by Christ fulfilled, to hear his pardoning voice, changes a slave to a child, and duty and choice. Then all my servile works were done, a righteousness to raise, not freely chosen